Hey everybody, welcome to the Burton Riglet event at Summit West. This is a great chance for your kids to learn and feel, more exactly, feel what it's like to ride a snowboard. This isn't your average lesson here. We have a nice little mini half pipe, and pretty much here we're just trying to get the first taste of snowboarding into the youngest possible audience that can happen. It's a created environment where we can give people instruction and hand over the reins to them in a way that's been really empowering for adults down to the smallest, youngest kids.